these are two different topics and separate experiences. But that's not true. My topic is not different to each other. It's interconnected. It is the journey of self-growth, self-motivation and the self-success. As first, talk about the failure. So what is failure? There are many people who think that failure is just a fear of another word of failure. As why they think that failure is just a fear? Because as we know that, let's be honest, in this room, I don't think that anyone of us, none of us likes to fail. That's why we are here, and right now we are doing our best so that we can get at least appreciation from the sir or the trophy. That's why we are doing our best, because we don't want to fail. We just want that trophy or that appreciation. So this is the word. People think that failure is just a fear. We don't want to listen this word, and we just want to get rid from this word. We don't want that word in our life too. But what if I tell you that failure is not just ending, it's just the beginning. Failure is a positive to success, as failure is just stepping stone towards it. So we are living in the era where we think that when we get success, we just celebrate it. But what if we don't focus on the failure? Why? Because we overlook it. Because we only think about the success. But alone success can't make the successful person. Why? Because failure shows us is like a mirror, and it reflects us all our abilities, all our skills, but our mistakes too. If we don't learn from our mistake, how will we improve and try again? So without learning our mistakes, how will we improve and make a better person? So there is an example of Thomas Edison, who said in his interview that I have not failed, I just tried, I just found 10,000 ways it won't work. So with this statement, we know that failure is not just a version of success, it's just stepping stone towards it. Let's talk about imagination. As we all know that imagination is most powerful tool. As without imagination, we can't think beyond what we think. Secondly, we can't dream. And third, we can't create something new. So why imagination and failure are interconnected? First of all, these are two different topics. Secondly, when you get challenges of failure, you just have to focus on your imagination and overcome them. So there is one of the most inspiring example of Amitabh Bachchan. I think all of you heard the career of Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan's career was not always that much glamorous. There was a time in 1990 where Amitabh Bachchan's career was major setback, because he made the company named Amitabh Bachchan Corporation Limited. But with that company, the company went to bankrupted and got failed. And with that, Amitabh Bachchan had loss. So he has to face that loss and struggle to even getting the acting also. Because no one wants to work with Amitabh Bachchan. But he didn't give up. He just tried many opportunities. So in 2000, he got the opportunity to host a show of Kaun Banega Crorepati. But for Amitabh Bachchan, he is a superstar from decades. He has a brand name. So what people will say that the Amitabh Bachchan is hosting a normal TV show of Kaun Banega Crorepati. So it is the very hard decision for him. But still, he didn't give up, and then he accepted that offer, and now he is earning more than he is earning in the films. So from that we learn from the example of Amitabh Bachchan, that when we challenge the failure, we just have to focus on our imagination and then overcome them. In conclusion, I would like to say that failure and imagination are not enemies of success. They are supporters of them. First of all, I will encourage you that first of all, don't fear failure. Secondly, embrace it. And third, just do not stop your imagination. At last, I would like to say, failure is not something which ending of something. Failure is not something which ending of something. Failure is just the beginning of the journey.